Hi there everyone and welcome to Tech Cravers. Today I got something really interesting in front of me. It's the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition. This is a very special edition of the more budget-friendly OnePlus 12R smartphone. This amazing pack goes on sale on March 21st, but you can pre-order it today already for €749. Everything from color to artwork of this bundle is inspired by Genshin Impact's Keqing character. And in this video I thought that we would unbox it so that all of you Genshin Impact fans can see what to expect when it starts to arrive at the beginning of next month. But now, without any further delay, let's jump into it. So let's see what's under the lid once you finally manage to get that outer layer removed. And apparently we get more paper to unwrap, so let's dig into that before we work ourselves further down in the box. Alright, so apparently that first box contains this cardboard display shelf that you can use later to display all your new cool Genshin Impact stuff, including a stand for the phone itself, if you would like to keep it on display at your house instead of taking it with you. We also get this magnetic thing, which I don't know what it's supposed to do, but it reminds me of a bookmark. And to the right here we get a special stand for the limited edition SIM card ejector tool. Alright, moving on, we get this big Keqing badge to wear and let everyone know that we have the limited edition Genshin Impact OnePlus 12R on display at home. Let's put the phone to the side for a while so we can check out what else is in the box. And in the next box we get our limited edition SIM card ejector tool and a protective plastic cover for the phone, of course boasting a picture of Keqing herself. Underneath that we get a lovely purple colored charging cable, which is also T-shaped, and I'm not sure if it has any function apart from looking different to regular cables, but at least it stands out from the other cables. We also get this purple colored wall brick, which is 100 watts SuperVOOC, but unfortunately for me this is US standard, so I won't be able to use it in my Swedish house. But of course we're not done yet. We also get 8 Keqing metal badges that we can stick to our commuting backpacks to further emphasize that we do actually have that limited edition Genshin Impact smartphone on display at home. We also get 8 stickers in the same design as the metal badges. Moving on, we get a Keqing plastic figurine with an included stand, and I'm happy to let you know that she has her own OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition in her hands as well. And lastly we get a stand for the phone itself. But speaking of that, now I think it's time to take a look at the actual phone. And as you can see, we get a gorgeous Genshin Impact themed back in anti-glare silk glass. It's the same Electro violet color as the rest of the stuff in the box. And I know I've said purple up until now, but I just looked it up and it's Electro Violet. So now that we know that, let's start it up and see what that's like. And once you wake your phone, you're greeted by this Keqing live animated wallpaper. And I'm not gonna lie, but it looks kind of dope. You will probably be able to get it on other phones that supports live wallpapers as well though, so maybe don't buy this pack just for that. So apart from all the physical goodies I've unboxed in this video so far, the whole software experience is of course Genshin Impact tuned as well. We get limited edition live wallpapers, Genshin Impact themed always on display, special ringtones and more. However, apart from the design, this is of course the same OnePlus 12R that we already know and love. Same battery, same camera, gaming performance, etc. And speaking of gaming performance, one thing I found pretty funny is that Genshin Impact is in fact not pre-installed on this phone. It's simply something we have to download and install just as on any other phone. Once you're up and running though, you'll notice that it runs great, and in this footage I'm playing it using my GameSir G8 Galileo controller. And that's it for my brief unboxing of the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition. If purple is your color, I honestly don't think there are any better options out there for you than this phone. Apart from the super sleek design, the OnePlus 12R is a very solid budget-friendly phone, or at least budget-friendlier, coming in at €749. Or actually, at the time of recording this, OnePlus lets you pre-order it at $699, which is the same price as the OG OnePlus 12R. If you happen to like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also let me know in a comment down below what you think of the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition. Also, don't forget to subscribe to TechRavers for more content like this in the future. Thanks for watching, TechRavers out!